Discover country living at its finest, where tranquility meets comfort. Welcome to 4348 Shorthorn Road, nestled in the heart of Rescue, California. Step inside this country charmer at the end of a quiet street, where a cozy living room with a wood-burning stove and large window offer views of the lovely gardens. You can relax and unwind each day, finding peace and serenity. The open kitchen with ample storage space walks out to the yard, ideal for entertaining family and friends on the covered patio, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Children will delight in the backyard, a paradise for play and exploration. A retreat, the primary suite is oversized and has a French door out to the covered deck. Your dream of countryside living awaits. Escape to 4348 Shorthorn Road, a true retreat from the bustle of today's world.